Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on Jing screen recorder. My name is Anthony Carabache and this is a video tutorial for my part 2s. Jing is a great free online recorder. You actually download the program and you get 5 minutes of recording, and then you will not be able to upload it to YouTube, but you'll be able to upload it to screencast.com. So the first thing I'd like you to do is go to Google and Google the words Jing project, and you will come to a website called www.techsmith.com/Jing. TechSmith actually owns Jing, and it's their free version of their big recorder called Camtasia Studio. You see a button on the far right. You click on free download. Go ahead and click on that. And it does work wonderfully with Mac, and this is why I'm featuring this particular recorder. It works well for both. So click on whichever one you wish. I'll start the download here. I'll save it, and then it will set it up for me. Okay. Once you've set it up, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so Jing will hover close to the top of your screen or your monitor. So what you do is you take your mouse and hover over and simply go to settings. When it first loads, it's going to ask you if you want to create a new account or if you have an existing account. By all means, sign up for it. It's a great tool. There isn't any spam or horrible advertising, and I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't test it. So I have signed in and I've created my account. And what I'll do is I'll just go through some basic features. The feature that I just showed you here on the far right are the settings. So you can send feedback, you can change your preferences. I'd leave them as is. Okay. You can get for help or you can exit Jing. This is how you exit Jing from the settings. If you're happy, just click the check mark and finish. On the far left, you have the capture, which is the most exciting piece here. And the crosshairs, put the crosshairs where you want to start recording and click and drag a box around what it is you want to record. And then let go. And what it will do is give you a tiny little option at just below that will ask you if you want to capture the image, if you want to capture video, if you want to redo your selection, or if you want to cancel. So you can actually take pictures. I'll let you play with that because that is really useful. But here we're going to capture video, and I'll instruct you on how to capture video and share it. So click on the capture video, and what that'll do is it will give you a countdown, tell you your microphone's on, and it'll begin to capture everything that's on the screen. So once again, if you want to do a quick tutorial on, let's say, how to use Symbaloo. Here's Symbaloo as an example, and maybe you want to show them how to edit a web mix, or maybe you want to show them something in your web mix as an example. So for example, why don't we go to something like starfall.com, which is really popular with our primary teachers, and it's recording everything that I'm doing right now. Okay.
Goodbye.
Now, Jing has a 5-minute limit because it is free. That's its first limitation. The second limitation is you cannot upload it to YouTube, but I'll show you how you can share it nonetheless. So remembering 5 minutes is very important, so have it ready and planned. And that's actually good for our students as well. When you've completed the recording, click on Stop or Finish. Jing will then give you some options as it renders the video. You can play it, give it a test,
that's on the
and you
screen.
can just press,
So once again, if you
you
want
can
to do a
stop
quick
it
tutorial
whenever you're ready, okay?
on, let's say, how to use
The
Symbaloo,
second part
here's
now is
Symbaloo
how
as an
to,
example,
you can save it
and
on your
maybe you
computer. You can save that. It saves as something called an SWF, which is a file that YouTube does not accept, but you can play it on your own computer and that's fine. But in our case, you want to share this with me. So what you'll do is you'll share via screencast.com. That's why you registered for the account. So click on share via screencast.com and you will notice up here that it's uploading your video. Please don't forget to change the title. I didn't, so I have a date. When you send it to me, do not send me a file with a date. Send me a file with an actual name. Anyway, and as it's uploading, it will give me a screen that will enable me to share that with whomever I wish. Okay, so now that's finished. As soon as it's done, it's going to give you this little pop-up telling you your capture has been sent and the link is ready to be pasted. Perfect. So you can view it on screencast.com. So click on that little link, and um, that link up top is the one that you'll be sending me. So you'll copy that and you'll paste it into an email and say, hey Anthony, here's my screencast for you to view. It's a tutorial about how to use Google Docs or how to use Blogger. All right, I'll get that link and I'll come in and I'll press play and I'll be happy as a clam. I hope this helps you along, and thank you very much and good luck.